Alikum everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today I am sharing with you my ultimate mushroom sauce recipe that is going to be perfect for your pasta, for your steak, or for any kind of recipe that complements the mushroom sauce. If you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated. I'm posting new recipes every week. So let's get started. This recipe actually goes really fast. So I have already prepped my things. I have here garlic, some chopped onion, dill, parsley, black pepper, white pepper, salt, mushrooms. I am using canned mushrooms here. You can use fresh mushroom if you have. I didn't find it, so that's why I'm using canned mushroom, and some heavy cream. So let's see the procedure. So as I told you that this recipe goes really fast, so I'm using the same pan in which I made my steak. I have added here olive oil, in that I added my chopped garlic and onion. I'm going to saute it for a minute or two. And then I'm adding here my mushrooms. I'm going to cook the mushrooms until they reduce the volume and all the water evaporates. So my mushroom gets little toasted. In this point I am adding here my heavy cream. You can add fresh cream or whatever kind of cream is available. Cook it on low flame. Now it's time to add black pepper, white pepper and salt. Adjust the spices according to your taste. Parsley and dill. Now cook it on low flame until it thickens. Now can you see how beautifully it's done? And now your mushroom sauce is ready to be served with the pasta, with the steak, or any kind of recipe you want to have it. Enjoy it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.